Nithe noma nikwazi lokho Mqwadi. But still you didn't see the importance of making sure ukuthi labantu when they become councillors, as soon as beba ama-candidate, submittiwa amagama abo abuya athi this one is standing for a what, you know automatically ukuthi lo muntu uzoba i-councillor because yonke into beyifavor nina. But you didn't see it necessary ukuthi labantu niba workshop so that they become leaders of the community. Instead, labantu laba, they are voted to become councillors because abantu bethanda the political party, not the person representing the political party. I-community iphoqele ukuthi imbekezelele lo muntu simply because i-community ithanda i-political party, not the person representing the political party. And the same person who is representing the political party is not being workshopped, is not being capacitated to make sure ukuthi this person can become a leader. Kubhlungu ke kimi ukuzwa wena ubiza i-councillor ngokuthi i-leader. What makes a leader? Is it a vote? Is it a nomination? I don't think so. I don't think so. If there is no program to create leaders, you will never have leaders. You will only have people who are in position of leadership, yet they cannot even lead. That's the fact. So Mqwadi, even namanje ngisasho, ukubiza abantu for a roll call, already they are councillors and they are serving unyaka wokugcina as councillors. We are heading toward local government election. Few months from now, kumele ukuthi niye kuma conference, kumele ukuthi nizokhetha ama candidates amasha azostanda as ward councillors. Were you not supposed to call those people abastandayo for the coming election so that you workshop them, prepare them for the task at hand?